In 1965, after early battles like Ia Drang, the US decided to use its greatest strength, air power. They started a bombing campaign called Operation Rolling Thunder. The goal was simple: bomb North Vietnam so much that they would give up the war. For 3 years, US planes dropped millions of bombs on the roads, bridges, factories, and even villages. It was one of the biggest bombing campaign in the history. But it didn't work the way America hoped. The North Vietnamese did not stop. In fact, they got stronger. They built underground tunnels and moved supplies at night on the secret path called the Ho Chi Minh Trail, even while bombs fell around them. The more America bombed, the more angry and united Vietnamese people became. They saw the US not a helper but as a destroyer. Many innocent civilians were killed or injured, fields, homes, and schools were destroyed. Even today, people in Vietnam still suffer from unexploded bombs and toxic chemicals dropped during this time. American pilots also paid a high price. Many were shot down and captured. They spent years in the prison camps, often tortured and alone. Operation Rolling Thunder showed that technology and power were not enough to win a war. The US dropped more bombs on Vietnam than it had in all of World War II, but still could not stop the enemy.